Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10s and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can or cannot customize. It is because we've got the automatic date, time and time zone options applied, active. So first of all we have to turn off both of them, and as you can see right now we can freely tap on date, and here just by swiping pick the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just swipe and pick the time you want to use. As you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar, and the same situation with the time, just tap on the region. And here, as you can see, you'll be transferred to the full list of all available regions from which you can choose. So basically just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So it can be this one. I've just randomly picked the Afghanistan. Of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. I believe we've picked like 2 o'clock or something like that. Under it you've got the time format options, so you can either use local default and the format will be set automatically, or you can, let's say, manually decide if you want to use 24-hour format just like now, or 12-hour format just by turning off the second option. And as you can see, it will also be applied immediately. So basically that's all. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers to use the automatic date, time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your TCL Tab 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.